My name is Femi Anyodipe, and I welcome you to today's class. Today, we want to look at how we can install WordPress into our website. And primarily, there are two ways for you to get that done. Number one is install WordPress through local environment like XAMPP, WAMP, as well as Laragon. And also, you can install WordPress with the aid of substalocular ops in your control panel. So looking at the local environment for today, I'll be looking at Laragon. I'm going to use Laragon as a case study, very fast and easy to use compared with others. So for that purpose, you go to your browser and go to Laragon.org. You go to Laragon.org, this is the website, click on download. Then you look for the edition that work with your system. This is a full download Laragon full 173 megabyte and 33 megabyte. I prefer you go with the full Laragon, which is this. Click on this, and it will automatically be downloaded on your system. I have it on my system already. Let's just go to my system. Let's go to the system. Okay, this is the Laragon. So I'll right click on it and you run as administrator. You install it on your system. All right, and you continue. I have it on my system already. I don't want to install it. So let's go. Now that you have installed it on your system, then let's go and open it and see how it works. Laragon. So after the installation, this is what you see. Once you open it, okay. Once you open it, okay, you click on start, and you see it working already. So with this, we have created a local environment. So for you to now create a website with this, just right click on the body and go to quick app, click on WordPress and name your project. Okay, for the purpose of this class, I'm going to name it, I'm going to name my website class. Okay, class, and I give it go ahead to create database and user for me. It's creating already. 100% complete. All right, so the site is ready. Let's see it. Let's visit the site. So this is a site that I just created. This is the site I just created. All right. So for you to install the WordPress on that site, click continue. Give your site a name. Online class, since I have it as class, online class. Username, can I say ions? Okay. Let me give myself a password. I need a very strong password. Okay, don't let me use Anion. Let me use Anion online. Okay, online class. Use this same password. Let me leave it like that. Mail to Femi Anyotikwe. That's my password. I mean my email. Then, for the purpose of copy it, then I install the WordPress. All right, WordPress already installed. Save. WordPress already installed. That's it. Online class. I go inside to see what the site is all about. So this is the WordPress. I have installed it in my local environment. So with this, you can practice as many websites as possible for you to become perfect. And you will need more of this in this class that we have started. So what I want to encourage you to do is, as we have done this practical, make sure you on your own side, you download your Laragon. Once you download your Laragon, install it on your system. And after that, make sure you create at least one website for the purpose of today's practical class. And for you to know that we have actually created a website from here, let me just I like to tell my student, the next thing here is you want to create a template that will give you the beauty of the kind of website you are dreaming of. Let's go and see the website first. This is just the backend. Let's see it. Let's see the way it looks. All right, this is our website. This is what you still have in your website for now. So thank you for being part of the class. I hope you are able to gain one or two things from this. So please stay tuned as you watch the next class. Thank you.